Can you hear me?
Hello, yes. Yeah. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah. Oh, good. How you doing?
Good. Yeah, very good, thanks. How about yourself?
Not bad. Trying to figure out all the calls for today.
Yes. Nice, nice. Well, yeah, good. It's good to finally see you, and thank you for putting up with back and forth about scheduling a time.
Okay,
Really
no
appreciate
problem.
it.
Yes.
Um, cool. I know we've only got a very short time, haven't we? So I figured, if it's all right, I might give you just a short overview of kind of what we're trying to do, and then maybe if we can just talk about kind of where you align and how you might approach it, and yeah, we can
Mm-hmm.
go from there if that's all right.
Okay.
So the project that we're doing at the moment, we're working with a client of ours who's building a an app and a platform for manufacturing companies. So the platform that we're building will allow
Hold
those
on. Just I will
companies
take out
to.
the 1 minute. I will take out the.
Cool. No worries. Cool. Oh, I can't hear you now. No, silent.
Hold on. Hold on.
Oh, that's better. I can hear you now.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Tell
Yes.
me about the about it.
That's all right. No worries. So, yeah, it's a manufacturing app where manufacturing companies will be uploading all of their documents surrounding all of their machines on site, and engineers will be using the app to ask various questions about how to fix certain things. We'll be looking up database tables as well around past work orders to ingest data around what's worked and what hasn't in the past, around who fixed the machine last, around what they did. And so
Mhm.
we're basically trying to pull from a bunch of PDFs and images, and also some structured data around that kind of database side, along with a few other bits and pieces as well. And so what we've kind of built at the moment is a proof of concept, which is built around Python, LangChain. We've got the name eludes me now.
API. You mean? Oh.
Yeah, so the whole back end is I'm trying to think. We use a service where we basically talk to it and then it picks the model for us. So
Mhm.
we're using a variety of I think mostly Claude models behind the scenes for the LLM. And we're using OpenSearch as well for vectoring and things like that. And it's kind of working. It's okay. It's very costly, I think, at the moment for a proof of concept. It feels like it's running a lot when it's not doing much.
Mhm.
And intelligence is kind of okay. It's speed is also could be improved, and so we're kind of at this point where we need to take it now to the next level and get it production ready. And I think whilst me and my team have kind of fumbled through getting this together so far, we could just do with someone with a bit more experience to get an eye over it, kind of have a look at what's working, what's not. In the back of my mind, at the very least, I think it needs a lot of tuning. But I think with some fresh eyes as well. I mean, there are very naive things from my end around like, should we be looking at training our own models? Is
Mhm.
that a viable option for this use case? And so I think, like I say, what we're looking for really is just someone to come in, help us get it production ready, and in that phase as well, just have a look over the bare bones that we've got in place and see how we can kind of get this to the next stage.
Okay. So basically, what they you have already some solution as I understood, but you don't like it. It's slow and etc. Yeah. I mean.
Yeah, it kind of works. I mean, it's a proof of concept, and I
Mhm.
think whilst the foundations seem to be there, we definitely need to grow it up to the next stage where it's going to be production ready.
Okay. Understood. So you have like what APIs you're gonna prefer? I mean, for API for especially for the models, or we're gonna run our own model, or we're gonna use the API for ChatGPT or Cloudy, which is
Yeah, all these question marks running around my head, and me and my team, we just don't have enough experience really to
okay.
confidently answer them. I think it's so I think the system just needs to be fairly intelligent. I mean, I feel like I'm asking for the world when I say it needs to be
Especially
intelligent,
yes,
fast, and cheap. But
yeah.
yeah, we need to kind of balance all of those, I think. And yeah, just essentially, the client that we're working with is wanting to build this as the future of manufacturing and the go-to for engineers. So it needs to be of a really good quality.
Hmm.
And yeah, like I say, we're just looking for someone who's kind of been there and done this and can help us through some of those hurdles a little bit.